Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skills Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights. Together, I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you. So let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic for today's video is Mastering WhatsApp Web Features and Troubleshooting. Features of WhatsApp Web. 1. Easy access to chats, syncing with mobile all messages. From your mobile WhatsApp sync, in real time with the web version. Messages search quickly find specific messages within a chat, using the search bar. 2. Multimedia sharing, send and receive media share. Photos, videos, documents, and even voice notes directly from your computer. Drag and drop. Easily drag and drop files from your computer into a chat. 3. Keyboard shortcuts, quick navigation. Use shortcuts for quick actions. For example, Ctrl+N to start a new chat, Ctrl+Shift+ to move to the next chat. Emojis and formatting. Use shortcuts for emojis, for example, smile, and text formatting, for example, bold, italic. 4. Desktop notifications. Stay updated. Enable desktop notifications to stay updated with new messages even when you're not on the WhatsApp web tab. Custom alerts. Customize notification settings for specific chats or groups. 5. Group chats and broadcasts. Manage groups. Create and manage group chats, add or remove participants, and change group info. Broadcast messages. Send messages to multiple contacts at once without creating a group. 6. Voice and video call. With WhatsApp desktop app, calls from PC, make voice and video calls using the WhatsApp desktop app, which provides a more stable and high-quality experience. Troubleshooting WhatsApp Web. 1. Connection issues. Ensure stable internet. Both your phone and computer must have a stable internet connection. WhatsApp mobile connection. Ensure your phone is connected to the internet. WhatsApp Web relies on your phone's connectivity. 2. Browser compatibility. Supported browsers use the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari, or Edge. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies if you encounter loading issues. 3. QR code scanning problems. Camera access. Ensure your phone's camera is working properly and has permission to scan QR codes. Proper alignment. Align the QR code within the scanner frame accurately and hold it steady. 4. Synchronization issues. Restart devices. Restart both your phone and computer to resolve sync issues. Update WhatsApp. Ensure both your mobile app and browser are updated to the latest versions. 5. Notification issues. Enable notifications. Make sure desktop notifications are enabled in WhatsApp web settings and allowed in your browser settings. Focus mode or do not disturb. Ensure your computer is not in a focus mode or do not disturb mode that might block notifications. 6. Security concerns. Log out remotely. Log out of WhatsApp web from your mobile app if you suspect unauthorized access. Go to WhatsApp menu. WhatsApp web. Log out from all devices. Use secure networks. Avoid using WhatsApp web on public or unsecured networks to protect your data. Conclusion. Mastering WhatsApp web can significantly enhance your messaging experiences by leveraging the convenience of a larger screen and full keyboard. By understanding its features and knowing how to troubleshoot common issues, you can ensure a smooth and efficient communication experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.